Hi everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we'll join Lina and Tom on their fun trip as they check into a hotel, explore their room, order food, talk to staff, and enjoy their stay. This video is perfect for beginner English learners who want to practice real hotel conversations, learn polite expressions, and listen to natural English in daily situations. Are you ready? Let's begin the story.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Sunshine Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, we have a reservation. The name is Lina Green.
Of course, Miss Green. Let me check. Yes, a double room for 2 nights.
That's right.
Wonderful. May I see your passports, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a room with a city view or a garden view?
Oh, garden view sounds peaceful.
Yes, we'll take that one, please.
Perfect. Here's your key card, room 402 on the 4th floor.
Thank you.
The elevator is right over there. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks a lot.
We made it.
Now, let's find out if this hotel is as good as the pictures. 4th floor. Here we go.
I love the music here. It's relaxing.
Yeah, very fancy. Oh, wait. Are we sure it's the 4th floor?
Yes, room 402. Don't get lost already.
I just like to double check.
Here we are.
Let's go explore our new room.
Room 398, 400, 402. This is ours.
Okay, let's open it.
Try again.
Uh-oh.
You're already breaking things?
Maybe it doesn't like me.
Ah, see? You're holding it upside down.
Details.
Wow, this is nice. Look at that big window.
Oh, the garden looks beautiful.
And the bed looks comfy. Oh, yes, very soft.
Everything's clean. Towels, soap, shampoo, all ready.
Great. Let's check the fridge. Oh, free water.
My favorite word, free.
Let's rest a bit before we go out.
Agreed. I'm tired from the flight.
It's getting hot.
Maybe the air conditioner isn't working.
Oh, no. Should we call the front desk?
I'll do it. Hello, this is room 402. The air conditioner doesn't work.
I'm very sorry, sir. I'll send someone right away.
Thank you.
Hello. I'm here to check the air conditioner.
Thank you so much.
All done. It should be cool now.
Oh, yes, much better.
Thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Have a cool day would be a good line.
You should tell him that next time. I'm hungry. Let's order dinner.
Great idea. Hello, room service, please.
Yes, sir. What would you like?
1 chicken fried rice and 1 vegetable soup.
Anything to drink?
Mango juice.
2 mango juices, please.
Sure. It will arrive in 20 minutes.
Thank you.
Dinner is here.
Thank you so much.
Smells amazing.
This is delicious.
Hotel food never disappoints.
Because you didn't have to cook it. Let's watch a movie.
Sure. What's on TV?
There's a travel show.
Perfect. Maybe we'll find ideas for our next trip.
Wow, that place looks beautiful.
Not as nice as our hotel right now.
You just don't want to move.
True. This bed is too comfortable.
Good morning. Table for 2?
Yes, please.
This way. Here are your menus.
Thank you. What are you having?
Pancakes!
Again? You love pancakes.
Always. What about you?
I'll have eggs and toast, please. This tea is perfect.
And the coffee is strong. I like it.
Everything tastes fresh.
Let's take a photo.
Okay, but no silly faces this time.
No promises.
Oh no, my t-shirt is dirty.
There's a laundry bag here. Maybe they have laundry service.
Let's ask. Hello, this is room 402. Do you have laundry service?
Yes, we do. You can leave your clothes in the laundry bag. Housekeeping will pick them up.
Great, thank you so much.
Perfect. Now I don't need to wash my socks in the sink.
Please don't.
Good morning. Housekeeping. May I clean the room?
Sure, please come in.
Thank you. Would you like me to change the towels?
Yes, please. And could you bring one more bottle of water?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Wow, that was fast.
Everything looks new again.
She deserves a thank you note.
Good idea. Let's write one. So, where should we go today?
The receptionist said the beach is only 10 minutes away.
That sounds perfect.
We can rent bikes at the hotel.
Really? That's great. Let's ask downstairs.
And maybe buy some snacks on the way.
Always snacks.
You know me well.
Good morning. Checking out today?
Yes, please.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Very much. The staff was so kind.
Everything was perfect. Room, food, and service.
Thank you so much. Here's your bill.
All good. Here's my card.
Thank you. We hope to see you again.
We'll come back for sure. Maybe next time for a whole week.
We'll keep your favorite room ready.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Tell us in the comments which hotel scene helped you the most today. Your support helps us create more easy English videos for you. Thank you for learning with us.